If you'd like to be more sustainable, then start growing your own medicinal herbs, like this Echinacea. People around the world use it to help boost their immune system when they are sick. Some say you can use it for coughs and colds, bronchitis, upper respiratory infections, gingivitis, influenza, canker sores, yeast infections, ear infections, and more. But I don't have my Facebook doctorate, so do your own research on that. All I can say is that Echinacea is as simple to grow as it is beautiful, and it's a wonderful habitat for pollinators. But if you are growing it to utilize its healthy properties, then here's what you can do. Once your Echinacea has grown, you can begin to use any part of the plant. You can use it fresh by eating it or using it as tea. Or you can dry it out so it's available whenever you need an immune boost. I like to dry it out, chop it up finely, and then store it in a nice glass jar. Then whenever I'm ready for some tea, I can just load up a reusable tea infuser or use it as loose leaf tea. You can add whatever sweetener or any other flavor you wish to enhance the taste. But I personally love the taste. I find these tea leaves leave a nice cooling effect on my tongue. Echinacea also makes the perfect Halloween bouquet. So why don't you start harvesting your own Echinacea today? I'm the Green Tip Guy, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.